In today's video, I'm thrilled to introduce the newest addition to our family, a cute little hamster that we just brought home. This tiny bundle of fur is already bringing so much joy and excitement into our lives, and I can't wait to share all the fun moments and adventures with you. We'll be giving you a full tour of our hamster's new cozy habitat, complete with all the essentials to ensure it feels right at home. I'll also be sharing some fascinating facts about hamsters that you might not know, along with some helpful tips and tricks we've learned for keeping our little friend healthy, happy, and entertained. Get ready for some heartwarming and funny moments as our hamster explores its new surroundings, gets comfortable in its new home, and starts to show its unique personality. Whether you're a hamster lover or just looking for some adorable content to brighten your day, you won't want to miss this. So grab a snack, settle in, and let's welcome this adorable new family member together. Before we jump into all the cuteness, I want to talk about something important: how to care for a new hamster during its first 5 days in its new home. Those first days are crucial for helping your hamster feel safe, comfortable, and secure. Day 1 to 2, let your hamster settle in and get used to its new environment. It's best to keep the cage in a quiet place where it won't be disturbed by loud noises or too much activity. Avoid handling the hamster during this time. Instead, just observe from a distance to help it get familiar with your presence and its surroundings. Make sure it has plenty of fresh water and food, and that its habitat is equipped with cozy bedding, a hideout, and a wheel for exercise. Day 3, start to slowly introduce yourself by speaking softly near the cage and offering a treat through the bars or placing it gently inside. This helps the hamster associate your presence with something positive. Remember to move slowly and avoid sudden movements. Day 4, you can begin to gently place your hand in the cage and let your hamster come to you at its own pace. Don't try to pick it up just yet, let it sniff your hand and get used to your scent. This is an important step in building trust between you and your new furry friend. Day 5, if your hamster seems calm and curious, try to gently cup it with both hands, keeping your hands low to avoid any falls. Always be gentle and calm to avoid startling your hamster. Remember, every hamster is different, some may take longer to adjust, so be patient and move at your hamster's pace. These first few days are all about building trust and making sure your hamster feels safe and secure in its new home. With a bit of patience, love, and understanding, you'll soon have a happy and healthy hamster who is ready to be your new best friend. Stay tuned for more adorable moments and tips on how to care for your hamster. Let's make these first days as comfortable as possible for our new little buddy. Let's talk a bit about something very important: what to feed your hamster, especially during those first few days. Providing the right diet is essential to keep your hamster happy, healthy, and energetic. One basic hamster food: hamsters primarily eat specially formulated pellets or a seed mix available at pet stores. Pellets are great because they provide a balanced diet in every bite, while seed mixes can add variety. Make sure to choose a high-quality hamster food that contains grains, seeds, and small amounts of dried fruits and vegetables. To fresh vegetables and fruits, you can also offer small amounts of fresh vegetables like carrots, cucumbers, spinach, and broccoli. Hamsters enjoy the crunch and the added nutrients these veggies provide. Occasionally, you can treat them to small pieces of fruits like apples, bananas, or strawberries, but remember, fruits are high in sugar, so keep portions small to avoid overfeeding. 3. Proteins. Don't forget that hamsters need a bit of protein in their diet. Small amounts of cooked chicken, boiled eggs, or mealworms can be a healthy addition. Just make sure these are given in moderation. For water, fresh water should always be available. Make sure to clean and refill their water bottle daily to ensure it stays clean and free from bacteria. 5. Treats. Hamsters love treats, but it's important to choose healthy options. Look for treats specially designed for hamsters, like small nut pieces or dried vegetables. Avoid sugary treats or anything with artificial additives, as these can lead to health problems. 6. Foods to avoid. Not all foods are safe for hamsters. Make sure to avoid giving them anything toxic, like chocolate, garlic, onions, citrus fruits, and anything sticky or sugary that could get caught in their cheek pouches. During the first few days, Keep your hamster's diet consistent with what it was eating before coming to your home. Sudden changes in diet can cause stress and digestive issues. Gradually introduce new foods in small amounts to see how your hamster reacts. By providing a balanced diet and fresh, clean water, you're ensuring that your new furry friend stays healthy and happy. Remember, every hamster has its own preferences, so it might take a bit of trial and error to find out what your little buddy loves the most. One interesting thing about hamsters is their daily routine. If you're new to owning a hamster, you might be wondering when they are most active. Hamsters are nocturnal, which means they are primarily awake and active during the evening and nighttime. Don't be surprised if your little friend seems to sleep most of the day. This is completely normal. Early evening to early morning, typically, hamsters start waking up in the early evening, around dusk, and are most active from this time through to early morning. This is when you'll see them running on their wheel, exploring their habitat, and foraging for food. It's their natural instinct to be active during these hours, as they would be in the wild, where they avoid daytime predators by coming out at night. Late night playtime: if you're a night owl, you'll have the perfect companion. Hamsters love to run, dig, and chew during the late hours. You might hear your hamster rustling around or running on its wheel in the middle of the night. Respect their schedule. It's important to respect your hamster's natural sleep-wake cycle. Avoid waking them up during the day unless necessary, as this can cause stress and disrupt their sleep pattern. Instead, try to interact with your hamster during the evening or nighttime when they are naturally awake and ready to play. Knowing when your hamster is most active will help you understand its behavior better and create a stronger bond. Keep watching for more tips on how to care for and enjoy life with your new furry friend. One thing I've already noticed is just how playful our new hamster is. Hamsters may be small, but they have big personalities and love to play and explore, especially during their active hours in the evening and nighttime. Exploring and foraging: hamsters are natural explorers and foragers. You'll see them running around their habitat, climbing, burrowing, and sniffing every corner. To keep them happy and stimulated, it's important to provide plenty of toys and accessories, like tunnels, tubes, and hideouts. They also love digging in bedding or sand baths, mimicking their natural behavior in the wild. Running on the wheel: a hamster wheel is a must-have for any hamster owner. Hamsters have lots of energy and can run several miles a night on their wheel. A wheel gives them a fun way to exercise and burn off that extra energy. Make sure the wheel is the right size for your hamster, big enough so their back stays straight while running, and without any gaps that could catch their tiny feet. Chewing fun: hamsters have continuously growing teeth, so they need to chew to keep them healthy and trimmed. Chew toys, like wooden blocks, apple sticks, or cardboard, are great for them to gnaw on. You'll often find your playful hamster nibbling away happily to keep its teeth in good shape. Interactive playtime: once your hamster is comfortable with you, you can start to have some interactive playtime outside the cage. Create a safe, enclosed space or a hamster playpen where they can explore new toys, climb on different surfaces, and interact with you. You can make a fun obstacle course with tunnels, tubes, and climbing structures to keep them entertained. Hide and seek treats: another fun way to engage your hamster is by hiding treats around their habitat. Hamsters love the challenge of searching for hidden goodies, and it encourages their natural foraging behavior. You can hide small pieces of their favorite fruits, veggies, or hamster-safe treats in different spots and watch them sniff them out. Getting to know their personality: every hamster has its own unique personality. Some are more curious and adventurous, while others are a bit more shy and reserved. Spend time observing your hamster to learn what they enjoy most, whether it's climbing, running, or burrowing, and tailor their playtime to suit their preferences. By creating a playful and stimulating environment, you are not only helping your hamster stay healthy and active but also strengthening your bond with them. Keep watching for more adorable moments and tips on how to keep your hamster entertained and happy.